I'm Trent.
I'm Carrie.
I'm Dylan.
I'm Zoe.
And we're the Young Americans.
When life deals us cards, make everything
Taste like it is salt. Then you come through like a sweetener. You ought to bring the bitter taste to a halt. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved.
So the Young Americans, the college program is 2 years. So once you join, it's about 2 years to get your associate's degree. And then once you're done with that, you're able to stay and tour with the group as long as you want and get more experience. And then once you decide that you no longer want to tour with a group, you're able to go out and use all that experience and take your degree and either transfer to a four-year university or go audition for cruise lines or Broadway or other professional career lines like Disney.
They have a big tour bus and they're going to pull up to Clarkston High School right here. They'll be setting up their stage in the auditorium and they're going to bring the Young Americans Performing Arts Experience.
Yes.
So basically what that is, it's a 3-day workshop and we do singing and dancing and acting and partying and it's just a whole bunch of fun. But we teach a 1-hour show in those 3 days. It's a variety style show, so there's a ton of different styles in it, something for everybody.
Yeah.
And we'll teach this show and just have a wicked party while we do it.
Yes.
Have so much fun with the kids, gas them up, make them feel awesome, and then on the 3rd day we'll perform that show with them and just have a huge celebration.
For the whole community.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're interested and you want to learn more about the Young Americans and how to sign up for the workshop coming to Clarkston, you can go to youngamericans.org/US and there'll be a registration sheet right there and more information about the workshop. And you can also just go to youngamericans.org and it'll give you more information about our organization, about the college, and all of that stuff.